Hello and welcome to this ClassCalc tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at starting a test mode as a teacher and joining as a student. During test mode, students will not be able to use any other applications, receive any calls, texts or notifications. A teacher can start a test on a smartphone, a tablet or a computer. On the teacher's web app, go to the teacher panel. Either add a new classroom or select a virtual classroom that you've created. You can also select a custom calc for your test mode at this stage, but we will go over that in a later video. Once your class is selected, click Start a Test. Select Confirm. On the teacher screen, you can see the activated test mode indicated by the red panel. Below, you have the amount of students in your class and their status of joining test mode. The yellow circle next to the student means that their invites are pending. Once a student successfully joins test mode, the circle will turn green. If the student rejects the invite or exits the test, the circle will turn red and the teacher will be immediately notified. For students with iOS devices, click Join once you have received the test mode invite. A setting will appear to confirm the self-lock test mode. Select Yes to confirm. The student will now appear with a green circle in the teacher's test panel. For students with Android devices, follow the instructions on ClassCalc once your teacher has sent a test mode invite. All Android devices are slightly different, but the sign-up process will be similar. The next time a student joins a test on an Android device, the process will be automatic. First, click Settings on the pop-up and turn on the Do Not Disturb function for ClassCalc. Click the back button to return to ClassCalc. Next, enable Pin Mode by clicking here on the pop-up and accepting Pin Mode. Lastly, turn on your accessibility by clicking Settings on the pop-up, which will take you to the accessibility page. Scroll to ClassCalc and turn on accessibility. OK the permissions. This will pause your background apps so they do not disturb you during test mode. The app remains unchanged after test mode. Once completed, ClassCalc will automatically relaunch into test mode. Once a student is in test mode, they can see the red panel at the top, indicating that their phone is in lockdown. The student will now appear with a green circle in the teacher's test panel. A student can exit test mode by selecting Exit Test on the top left-hand corner. Once this button is confirmed, the teacher will be immediately notified that the student has left the test. You can now see that that student has left the test, indicated by the red circle. The teacher can re-invite students by clicking on their name in the list and confirming the invitation, and the students can simply re-accept. Since the student can't lock the screen during test mode, students can preserve battery by selecting the button on the top left-hand corner and changing the screen's brightness with the slider. If the teacher wants to re-invite all of the students in the test, you simply click Options and Resend Invites to All. To enter test mode, the teacher clicks the red End Test button on the bottom of the teacher panel. Thank you for watching this ClassCalc tutorial.